Mastering Success, Ultimate Study Tips for Becoming a Topper. Hello, studying machines. You're on the hunt for game-changing study strategies that will catapult you to academic stardom, right? Well, you've hit the jackpot. Welcome to this electrifying video where we're about to reveal absolutely fantastic ways to unlock your potential and thrive in your studies. First up, let's talk about the magic of an impeccably planned study schedule. Organize your study journey like a pro. Divide it into bite-sized pieces, set achievable milestones, and watch how it turbocharges your focus. Say goodbye to stress and hello to laser-sharp concentration. Speaking of focus, let's zoom in on your study haven. Find that tranquil and cozy spot where your mind can freely dance with ideas. Banish distractions, yes, even your beloved phone, and social media from this sacred space. Immerse yourself fully in the fountain of knowledge and feel the magic happen. Now, here's a golden nugget. Don't just memorize, deeply understand your study material. Dive into your notes with passion, create nifty flashcards, or even become the teacher and explain these captivating concepts to someone else. The beauty is in the review. Revisit these materials often to etch them into your brilliant mind. Got a learning style? Awesome! Lean into it. Whether you're a visual learner who adores mind maps, or you resonate more with auditory cues, perhaps recording your own educational podcasts, test out various techniques and embrace the ones that make your academic heart sing. Health check alert. Your body and mind are your most precious assets. Fuel them with nutritious meals, get ample sleep like a champ, and don't forget to flex those muscles with some invigorating exercise. A well-oiled machine is always the most efficient. And remember, becoming an academic superstar is a thrilling journey, not a sprint. Keep that burning motivation alive, stay riveted on your goals, and watch as your grades skyrocket into the stratosphere. Thank you for tuning into this life-transforming video. We're all about empowering you, so make sure to hit that subscribe button for more sensational educational content. There you have it, studying machines. Now go conquer those books and seize your destiny.